head to the Honolulu Zoo. If you're staying or planning to stay in the Waikiki area, the zoo is within walking distance and not a bad place to spend a morning or afternoon. Compared to the other zoos I've been to, the Honolulu Zoo has a lot more birds and tropical creatures because of its surrounding, and the Sahara Desert exhibit is especially popular with hippos, giraffes, elephants, and more. My overall opinion of the Honolulu Zoo is that even though it's not very huge, there's still enough to look at for an enjoyable time. General admission is also only $14 for adults, with children 3 to 12 for $6, which I found quite reasonable. The only critiques I have about the zoo are included in my tips and tricks, which I'm going to tell you now. Tip number 1, shading. There is little to no shade in the zoo, and even so, it can get quite hot on a sunny day, so whether it's an umbrella, shawl, hat, or anything else, do remember to cover yourself up appropriately, particularly if you have small children. Oh, and don't forget to bring a towel if you get sticky. Tip number 2, bug spray. Unfortunately, I got 4 bites on my body even with applying spray, so don't be like me and apply frequently to keep the bugs at bay. And finally, tip number 3, come early. The zoo is open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., so if you want to see the zoo at a leisurely pace, come early. Finally, the Honolulu Zoo is definitely a place to take your children. If you aren't a huge zoo fan and looking for something grand, this might not be on your itinerary. Personally, for me, depending on what I plan on doing the next time I'm in Hawaii, I might not plan on visiting the zoo again, but as a first-time visitor, it's worth checking out. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and join me on my next Honolulu adventure. See you next video. Bye!